Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as the title suggests, this is going to be a get ready with me. I thought that I would share my go-to makeup look that I have been doing a lot lately. I also have a couple products that are actually new that I'm going to be trying out for the first time. First things first though, I need to take these glasses off. I cannot do my makeup with glasses on. And I actually just got some more colored contacts by Iris Beauty. I did a video a few months back where I tried on a couple colored contacts and they reached out to me and asked if I wanted to try a new color, so I was like, hell yeah. So I got the color Sky Blue this time. So let's try these on. And I do have a prescription. Oh, I'm so excited. I hope that these look somewhat natural. Oh my god, I'm so blind. I can't see shit right now. Oh my god. Ooh. I like these, like on top of my brown eyes, they just look like a dark blue. You know, some color contacts, they look really weird and obvious that they're fake. These don't, like, they don't have any distinct, like, circles. They just fit right over my eye really nicely. And they're not like super crazy bright blue where it's like, what the fuck is wrong with you? And actually, when I was first born, this was my eye color. I have baby pictures where my eyes were like this dark blue. So, okay. So I will have the information for Iris Beauty down in the description along with a coupon code for you guys if you want to go and get yourself some colored contacts. Even if you don't have a prescription, of course, they come prescription free as well. And this is now my third pair of contacts that I've tried by them and I love them. I think that they fit very comfortably. I don't see like any kind of weird haze or ring when I look around. They sit comfortably in my eyes. Okay, so let's get started. So for primer, I'm going to use the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Face Primer. You guys might have seen this in a vlog. I picked it up at why do YouTubers all say that? I bought this at Sephora, okay? I paid 30 something for this damn shit, which is more than I've ever paid for a primer, but when the girl at Sephora used it on me, she wasn't even like really trying to sell it to me. We were talking about foundations, but she was like, oh, this is new. Here, let me put this on you. And I was like, whoa, 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 pause. What is that? So this is supposed to have like blurring technology in it. And it's also supposed to be skincare. Like it has vitamin C and it smells so good. It has like really good citrus scent. And it gives you like a nice glow too. So you can even just put this on without any makeup just to give yourself like a nice healthy glow. Do you see that? Oh, beautiful. Then for foundation, I'm going to use, I almost had picked up again. Oh my god. I just bought a new one. Well, I exchanged it. I think this is going to finally be my perfect shade because the one I had before was just not working for me. So this is the shade 2.35 Light Medium Warm Golden. And this is the Smashbox, I didn't even say what it was. The Smashbox Studio Skin 15-Hour Wear Foundation. Every time that I wear this foundation in a video, I always get questions. People are always asking me what I'm wearing. Last night I like exfoliated and shaved my face, or like dermaplated, if you will. I just took one of those like little eyebrow razors and gently like scraped off the top layer of dead skin and like peach fuzz and stuff and cleaned up my sideburns. Ever since I got this tragus piercing, I feel like it just accentuated and drew so much attention to my sideburns and I was like, okay, no. So my face feels so smooth and so soft right now. This is a pretty good match. It's like a teeny bit on the dark side, but I'm like at my absolute palest right now. Like my fake tan has completely faded at this point. So normally I'm a little bit tanner than this anyway. I'm going to use the matching concealer, the Studio Skin Flawless 24-Hour concealer. This one's in the shade Light Cool Peach. So as you can probably tell from my voice, which by the way, I apologize for that, but I got sick a few days ago, which is why this video is kind of, well, actually, let me backtrack. So if you guys are following me on Instagram, you saw that my boss and I were in Connecticut last weekend. We had 2 classes, which she got for me as a Christmas gift, which was amazing. Her mom actually lives up there, not too far away from where our classes were at, so we stayed at her mom's house. And that was the first time, like I had been to Connecticut once before as a kid. Since then I had never been back, and I've never been like more north than there before. I've never been up to New England. So I was really excited about it. I think it's so cute up there. Like even just seeing all the cute houses, I was freaking out. It was adorable. So we had a cutting class and then a social media class. Okay, so I set that with my Derma Blend loose powder, and now I'm just gonna buff it away. I just set my under eye area because if I don't, the concealer like settles into my creases and emphasizes them and just looks like a hot mess. This like keeps it in place all day. And then I've been setting just like right at the top of my forehead because I do have like some little lines there, and again I feel like if I don't set that, it kind of settles into the lines. I really want to get Botox for my birthday, just right there, just to like prevent it from getting any worse. I don't know, I feel like for myself personally, forehead lines, I always notice on people right away and on myself, and I feel like it just makes me look older, which there's nothing wrong with that, nothing wrong with getting older, but I just feel like just a little bit right there. That's it. Just to kind of prevent them from settling even deeper. So this is actually one of the new things a la Carly Bible. I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal to contour my face. This one's in the shade Toast, which hopefully will be okay for me and not too dark. I've used these concealers before to like highlight and for my under eyes, but I've never used them to contour with, so, but I know Carly uses them all the time. So yeah, we were in Connecticut from Saturday night to Tuesday, and so I was trying to just like enjoy my little time away and not really be on social media too much and worrying about YouTube and all that. And then I was like, oh, when I get back I will film and post a video. Well, I got back and I ended up getting a pretty gnarly cold, which sucked. So I've just been resting and trying to feel better. I was like so just gross, and I was like, I can't even film a video right now if I wanted to because of just how I sound. And today's the first day where I'm like feeling a lot better. I'm not sounding as horrible, but I know I'm still a little nasally, so I apologize. This is not blending out as easily as I hoped it would. This just like sets so quickly. Maybe I should have just blended as I was going. Oh my god, this sets so fast. Like, this nose contour will not blend out for shit. Okay, note to self, work quickly with this concealer. Okay, so that was a little bit of a fail, so I'm just gonna take my NYX matte bronzer in Deep Tan. I'm just gonna kind of go over where I was attempting to cream contour, because I just feel like that didn't blend out nicely. I don't know if it's just that it doesn't blend over this particular foundation that well, or maybe it's because I did just shave my face last night. I don't know. Now I'm going to take, oh, yeah, this video is going really well for me. I'm going to take the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in Party with 3 A's, in case you were wondering. This is like a little mini one. I think I got this in like a birthday gift from Sephora a year or 2 ago. I'm feeling a lot of blush today. I don't know why. This is another new product. This is the Maybelline Chrome Highlight Reflect Chrome in the shade Knockout. And this is like their collaboration. I don't know. I saw this at Ulta. I guess they collaborated with Puma. And I don't know. I just thought this was really pretty. It swatched really beautifully. Hopefully it looks good on my face. Here we go. Okay. Really pretty. I'll just show you guys like a swatch of it on my hand so you can see it a little better. It's kind of hard to see over my makeup. Can you see that? So it's a duochrome, so it looks gold, and then you kind of rotate a little and then it looks pink. Now I'm just going to fill in my brows really quickly. So this is the Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil. I got my eyebrows microbladed last summer, and the first time that she did them, they looked amazing and I loved them. But then when I went back for my 1 month touch-up, she just went way too deep. Like, I could feel it. It was so painful. And then after that, they just didn't look the same as the first time. Like, the ink just looked way blown out. They didn't have like those nice fine thin hair stroke lines. They just looked super solid, and I was kind of disappointed. Like, what the hell? This is not what I wanted. They just looked like a little too harsh, but I've just been letting them fade. I have not gone to get any more touch-ups since then. And I've been talking to another girl kind of within my area who does amazing work. And so hopefully sometime soon I will be getting them redone. And instead of doing microblading, because I think what I've determined is that because my skin's a little more on the oily side, microblading isn't really the best for my skin type. Like, the ink just doesn't hold well. So we're gonna do ombre powder brows instead, which I'm really excited about. So I sent her a picture of my eyebrows. Hopefully when she sees me in person, she will be able to do something with them. They're pretty faded at this point compared to how they were when they were fresh, but I'm really excited about that. I mean, I'm happy with the shape of my brows, and I feel like they look okay now that they faded a bit, but the tails, like if you really look up close, they're just solid ink. Like, they look like a tattoo. I'm excited to get them redone. I'm gonna do, I guess, a little bit to my eyes just so that they're not so bare. Sometimes I just leave them and I don't even do shit to them. So I'm gonna just take that bronzer that I used for my face, and I'm just gonna put this in my crease. By the way, let me know down in the comments, what have you been binging on Netflix lately? Because I started watching Ozark, which so many people are like obsessed with and kept recommending to me. And I do like it. I'm maybe 3 episodes in, 3 or 4. And I like it, but I'm not like obsessed and hooked and like, oh my god, I can't wait for the next episode, you know? So if you have any show recommendations, let me know, because I always like finding new shows. And I like shows that get me really excited for the next episode, that I'm like hanging on the edge of my seat, and like shows that you really have to pay attention to. Particularly something that is like either crime related or like a thriller, some horror aspects. I loved The Haunting of Hill House. That is like totally my type of show. And then I'm gonna go into the Morphe by Jaclyn Hill palette in, what is this one? Ring the Alarm, I think. Oh, there it is. Ring the Alarm. I was like, why can I not find the name? And then I'm gonna take Mugshot and apply that in my crease as well. And then I'm gonna take Secret, just a teeny bit, and just apply that to the outer corner to just kind of deepen up the eyes a little bit. And then I'm going to take Mugshot and just kind of smudge that on my lower lash line. And then with a more pointed, defined brush, I'm going to take Secret and put that on my bottom lash line as well, keeping it a little bit tighter and closer to my eye. I'm going to put a tiny bit of mascara on the lower lashes. This is the Sweat Resistant mascara from e.l.f., their active line. This one is actually really good. It stays put pretty nicely. Then for lips, I'm going to apply the IT Cosmetics Your Lips But Better in the shade Blushing Nude. I'm going to fill them in a little bit with this as well. And then I'm gonna take, this is actually by Victoria's Secret, their Velvet Matte Cream Lip Stain in the shade Adored. This goes really nicely with that lip liner. Anytime you've seen me with nude lips since like the summertime, for the most part it's been this combo. And to finish everything off, I'm gonna use the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And I like to just very lightly pounce my beauty blender over everything after I do that. Like, get your face nice and wet, and then very lightly just like tap, and I feel like that really blends everything together nicely, especially if you are wearing powders. It kind of melts everything so it doesn't look so powdery. So that is the finished look. I really like how these browns are looking with the blue contacts. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I need to go do something about this hair now and eat something because my stomach won't stop growling. If you aren't already subscribed to my channel and you made it all the way to the end of the video, why not subscribe, right? Join my little YouTube family. It's free. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.